How to rewind on YouTube, rewind or fast forward. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to rewind or fast forward on YouTube easily. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your device. Then search for and play any video you want to watch. To rewind, simply double tap on the left side of the screen. This will move the video back by 10 seconds. If you need to go back further, keep tapping multiple times to rewind even more. To fast forward, double tap on the right side of the screen, and the video will skip 10 seconds ahead. Just like rewinding, you can keep tapping to fast forward by a greater amount. This method works on both Android and iPhone devices, making it easy to navigate through any video quickly. On desktop, you can use the left arrow key to rewind and the right arrow key to fast forward. That's all for the video. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful videos. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.